at the Dirt Bosses here, huh? How we doing?
What's up?
Looking at a truck. We'll see what it looks like when it gets down here, but looks like pretty good looking rig. Look at the stance on that thing, huh?
Oh yeah. She looks like a stuffed pig. Look at it. Them fronts with the floats.
Oh yeah. Pretty sexy looking, I'm telling you. Oh yeah.
I hate this match.
I mean, look at that one right there. I mean, that one looks pretty darn good, Mike. Let's go talk to him. So I've been looking for trucks for a while. I'm looking for a single axle, and this one came across. Actually, Dirt Boss hooked me up with it. Nice, clean L9000 Ford 94. Can't thank them enough for the hookup. It's going to be an amazing truck. Can't wait to start shooting some videos with it, and stay tuned and you'll see what's coming up. There she is. Getting ready to go on my first road trip. Got some fuel into her. Get things set up and get going. Just got her home here. Dom's got his first eyeballs on it. Let's see what he's got to say about it. Picked you up from football practice. What do you think, huh?
Overall, I think it's a pretty good truck.
Let's take a look at this big old M11 Cummins. Big old Cummins engine in her. How was the ride home? Lots of power?
Yeah, lots of power. It floats. It's right through the gears. Rides like a dream.
It does. It does a good job. I do have a small little. I mean, it came home really good. I was very happy with the way it drives down the road. I do have a little bit of an oil leak here, but I think that's around the oil pan. And then I noticed when we got up there, the exhaust was kind of getting bad right there. So, but the bumps took a toll on that. I'm sitting around, but I think we're just going to go ahead and just straight pipe this sucker, get rid of that muffler anyhow. But overall, she made the trip, huh, Dom?
Yeah.
I know he was upset that he wanted to go with us, but I think it's pretty good. What do you think, Doze? Huh? You like it? Oh, just got me all mud. Mama's in here. You driving the truck? Oh, pull the big one up there. Up here on the. Whoa! What are you doing, Doze? Get it. Go get that truck. Go get the stuffed pig. Go get it. Is that dog looking at you? Oh, man. Where is he? You see him? Oh, man.